Since we are committed to learn Java, let's go ahead and install Java Development Kit. Installing Jdk is as simple as installing any other software and is not any rocket science. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download Jdk and install it. Okay, relax. Let me help you in doing that. First of all, let's go to official website for Java. www.oracle.com, and then we need to go to Downloads tab. We have Java for Developers and Java for Computer. Now a little question for you, which one should I be clicking? I should click Java for Developers because of two good reasons. One, we want to become a Java developer, and two, we don't want to become a regular Java user. So if you go to Java for your computer, you'll be downloading Java runtime environment, which lets you use Java programs but won't let you develop anything. So we're going to go ahead and click Java for Developers, ignoring others. And then we click JDK download button. Now we need to choose the file depending on your operating system. I'm using Windows 32-bit version, so I'm going to click this link and let my browser download Jdk Installer. Before that, make sure you agree with the license agreement. If you have enough time and patience to read the license agreement, you can check this link. So I already have it downloaded on my local computer. Now all that I need to do is to double click it and follow the instructions prompted on the screen. Click Next. Now here you can take a note of this path where all the Java libraries will be residing, and if you want to change the default installation directory, you can do so by clicking Change and give your favorite path. But I recommend to leave it to the default directory and move on. Click Next. It's going to take a while before it extracts all the files and libraries used for development. Now we want to leave this as well to the default directory and click Next. The installation process started. What it is doing behind the scenes is it is communicating with the operating system, exchanging files, developing trust, etc. Now click Close. Okay, now this has installed Java on your operating system. Now to make sure everything is set up properly, let's go to the installation directory and make sure we see something new. So let's go to C, Program Files, Java. You see two directories, one is Jdk and other one is JRE. It makes sense, as I said before, if you install Jdk, it comes with JRE as well. Now in our next video we write our first Java program, so stay tuned.